In this guide, we're going to be going over if Arc Raiders has a ranked mode. This is a question that I keep getting in my comments. But before we actually dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Arc Raiders videos just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But overall, in terms of this, the short answer is going to be no. Arc Raiders does not have a traditional ranked mode. There is not a separate ranked playlist or a ranked matchmaking like you may see in other games. But, and this is kind of interesting, there actually is a ranking system in the game. If you go up to the top menu, up at the very top right here, and select your raider, and then scroll down, you're going to see a trials section in here, which unlocks after level 15. If you open this up, you'll see your weekly trials, the leaderboard, and your current rank. For example, a lot of people are actually tryhard level 2 for some reason, but your rank increases as you complete different tasks such as extracting successfully, defeating raiders, defeating arc enemies, and completing weekly trials. And these trials give progress toward your ranking, and you can actually climb all the way up to the Cantina Legend, which is the highest rank in the system right now. So while there is no ranked game mode, there is a full ranking progression system with rewards tied to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.